Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to recreate this beautiful eye look using the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. So if you want to know how to get this look, please keep watching. Please excuse my palette as it is well loved and used, but I'm taking that color Eden first with a fluffy blending brush, and I'm going to go ahead and place that all over the crease. Usually with any crease color, I always dip back into the eyeshadow with that brush, and I'll keep packing it onto the crease until I am happy with how it looks. Now I'm going to dip into that Shadow Amber. This is a nice red brownish color, and I'm going to go ahead and place that in the crease as well, just again to deepen up the eye look. I always take my time blending just to make sure that I blend that first crease color with the one I just put on. We're going to start adding some color to the look. So I'm going to take that color Amethyst and place it on the outer part of the crease, and I'm going to slowly blend it inwards. I'm going to dip back into that purple shadow, and I'm going to place it right on the outer part of the lid as well. Taking that color Saffron with a pencil brush, I'm going to go ahead and place that right on the outer corner of the eye and blend it in towards that purple. If you watch my other videos, you guys know I love doing a cut crease, so I kind of skimmed through this part just because I've done it a few times already. But this is basically what I do. I just grab a flat brush with some concealer and I go ahead and carve out where I'm going to place the lid shadow. Dipping back into that purple shadow, I am just blending that in towards the concealer. That way there are no harsh lines. This next eyeshadow is really going to make the whole eye look pop. So take a flat brush and make sure you use it wet. So when you dip into that shadow, you're going to notice how pigmented and foiled it applies. I went back in with some more of that Twilight shadow just to really build up the intensity, and you will notice how much more metallic it looks. I'm going to take more of that purple shadow that we placed on the outer lid with a blending brush, and I'm going to go ahead and merge this with the lid shade right next to it. For the inner part of the lid, I'm taking this color Angelic, again using a flat brush with some setting spray just to intensify it, and go ahead and pat that right on the inner part next to that purple we put down. I went ahead and grabbed a lighter shade from another palette, and I'm placing that color right on the inner corner, on that tear duct, and on the brow bone. I am just touching up the outer corner of the eye using that saffron color with that pencil brush. I am taking a makeup wipe and cleaning up any fallout, as well as bringing that towards the outer part of the brow just to get that sharp edge. I'm going to go ahead and apply some mascara again just to coat my lashes for the falsies that I'm going to be using. I went ahead and applied my false lashes off camera, but these are the Velour lashes. I will link the name down below. But this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed the eye tutorial. And again, if you want to see more looks, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you guys in the next video.